Welcome to Endless Learning Training Series, the membrane-based desalination technology.
In this presentation, we will study about breakdown maintenance, its challenges, benefits, impact, in which situation this type of maintenance can be implemented. Introduction: it also known as reactive maintenance, or run-to-failure maintenance, RTF. The maintenance activities are performed after a failure or breakdown has occurred. Characteristics: reactive nature. 1. Breakdown maintenance is reactive in nature, as it responds to failures after they occur. 2. Unplanned events: it is unplanned and unexpected. It does not follow a predefined schedule or routine. 3. Impact on downtime and productivity: downtime can disrupt operations, leading to reduced productivity, delays in production, and potential financial losses. Benefits: cost-effectiveness compared to preventive maintenance, PM, flexibility and adaptability to unforeseen events, extending the life of equipment, involves low-cost investment, cost-effective only until preventable failures occur, good for low-value assets that are not critical to plant operation, less staff is required. Challenges: unscheduled and unpredictable downtime and suboptimal performance that can impact energy consumption, operating margins, and carbon footprint, increased cost due to unplanned downtime of equipment, increased labor cost, due to overtime is needed, cost involved with repair or replacement of equipment, possible secondary equipment or process damage from equipment failure, potential high safety hazards, not a reliable maintenance strategy for pumps, membranes, and ERDs. In which situation this type of maintenance can be implemented? 1. Low criticality equipment. 2. The failure of a component in a system is unpredictable. 3. Cost considerations. 4. Limited resources. 5. Equipment near end of life. 6. Risk of failure is low. 7. The equipment failure priority is too low. This approach assumes that maintenance and downtime costs for plants will always be lower than the costs of other maintenance strategies. Appropriate for some low-value assets, but it is not an effective maintenance strategy for mission-critical SWRO components such as high and low-pressure pumps, membranes, and ERDs.
Thank you for watching this video.